This video was created in my Facebook group. It was a Q&A, very important Q&As that were asked by my audience, and just thought I would create this video where I dive into a question that I really got asked. How do you change your audience? And me being where I was, whether you're starting fresh or looking to expand, this insight pack session is really all about turning challenges into opportunities. And I'm going to share my personal journey from building a 10k audience on Facebook, following to losing it all overnight when I got hacked. But most importantly, I'll explain how I pivoted from that loss into growth and success by using collaborations as a powerful tool. And in this video, you'll also learn the mindset shift that turned adversity into alignment, and why collaborations are the key to reaching new people. That's my dog in the background. Why the key to reaching new people, those collaborations, why they work, and practical tips like identifying where your clients are hanging out, connecting with like-minded individuals, and leveraging free resources, and how to overcome the fear of being seen. And I share my first terrifying live video experience that I had and how I really got over it. And this isn't just about rebuilding, it's about aligning your energy, feeling good about what you're putting out there, and charging your value confidently. And I'll even share how collaborations led me to achieve international best-selling author status, proving that aligned actions can create monumental shifts. It really can. So get ready to feel inspired, take action, and connect with a whole new audience aligned with your purpose. And please come over to the group at the Quantum Ascension portal, where we have lots of activations, we have Q&As, and we also have sacred oracle guidance going over there.
How do you change your audience? I'm going to give you an example here. So it's just because you've heard me talking about enough, the people that came and found me again after I got hacked. So I spent years building up my Facebook. And I built it up to about 10k followers. I used to do lives every day. I really was consistent. I was always working. I was always giving away free resources and all the rest of it. Right? So basically, just before I launched, I got everything taken away. My Instagram, my Facebook, everything I wanted. And I thought, what do I do now? What do I actually do now? And the thing that got me to film a program and also got me in front of new people was collaboration. Collaboration. And what I did was I turned it around. I pivoted. I actually looked and says, that can really, when I was asking for the collaborations, I says, that could really have put me in a downward spiral, being in victim, being in blame, and blah, 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 like they do. However, I'm not doing that. I'm going the other way. I'm looking at it as a bonus that I need to find and connect with new people who would like to collaborate. Karen, because I know you've also got a program coming out, is what I would do is I would go into Facebook groups. I would look at where is your client hanging? Where's your client hanging out? I actually have a 2-page marketing, we'll call it. That's what it is. And I think it's 3 or 4 questions in it. It's not a big question for you, what you need to do to change your audience. What I'll do is I'll put that in the, and it'll be good for all of you actually. I'll put that in the group. I'll put it under guide. Yeah, that's what I'll do. I'll put it under guides. And what I'll also do as well is I'll put the inner child questions under guides too, so that you can get it there too. Yeah? Collaboration was a big thing that shifted everything for me, and I still do collaborations. Get yourself on podcasts. If you've got fear of being seen, get over yourself. It's not about you. It's about the people who you being serviceable. I remember the very first time my coach says to me, "You've got to go live." Shit myself. I basically told her the F word in front of everybody. Yeah. And I basically did. And then I realized when I came off the call that I've got a leak there, or I've got a fear there of being seen, of being judged, or what have you. And I made myself go. I was shaking from head to foot. I remember it clearly. That was years ago. I was absolutely shaken. And I just kept making myself go live to the point that doesn't mean anything to me to go live. Doesn't mean anything to me. I actually quite enjoy it now. Yeah. You just get over. You just keep doing it and keep doing it and keep doing it. And then it just becomes, I don't think of anything. It's just a fact to switch the button. Because I love to talk. I know you do too. But collaboration, definitely. It's because people who you know collaborate. Put in the group. Put a post in the group and actually ask, would anybody like to be collaborate? Now there's an instance of our beautiful Claire Rowlands, that she is a practitioner, Oracle Code practitioner, who is, she's doing absolutely amazing. And she put in asked if I wanted to be an author of a book. There's 20 authors in this book, Follow Your Stars. And it's when you've been in adversity, it's about business, of people, entrepreneurs, spiritual entrepreneurs, light workers, energy workers, tuned into it, felt aligned. So I knew her and I jumped right on it. Now, some of those collaborations could cost you money, but when you're just starting out, make sure it's free collaborations. It's got international bestseller status. International bestseller status by just doing a collaboration. What a lovely thing to wake up to this morning, that we had international, #1 in USA. Amazing. Yeah. Always be aligned. In the Lightworker Code, I'm going to show you what to do. So you can feel good about, one, what you're putting out there, two, your prices. Because when you feel aligned with your price, you feel good. Nobody will knock you off. Never underestimate even the people that's in the same arena as you, how they can help.